Morning everyone. Today we are going to discuss about climatic regions of the world. So what are climatic regions? Climatic regions are broad area having a similar type of climate. And how many climatic regions are there in the world? There are three climatic regions. Number 1, tropical region. Number 2, temperate region. And number 3, polar region. Now we will discuss about all these three climatic regions one by one. Number 1, tropical region. The tropical region include the countries which lie between the two tropics. What are these tropics? These are Tropic of Cancer, 23.5 degree latitude, and Tropic of Capricorn, 23.5 degree south latitude. So tropical region are having hot and wet climate. Our country India is also falling in this region. Why? Because Tropic of Cancer is passing through it. So that is why the sun shines very brightly, because direct rays of the sun are falling on the equator. So that is why the climate around that area is having hot and wet climate. Which countries are falling? Congo Basin in Africa, Amazon Basin of South America, and Malaysia and Indonesia. Here within the tropics, the climate is also not same everywhere. Some places there is the monsoon type of climate, and our country India is having that type of climate. So what are they? What type of conditions are there? These areas generally have heavy rain during summers, and the winters are mostly dry. Now other area in the tropical region have a hot and dry desert type of climate, and in this area hot and dry winds blow over these areas. There is hardly any rain, very less rainfall is there in that area. Second is temperate region. Temperate region कहाँ पर है? This areas lies between the Tropic of Cancer and the Arctic Circle in the northern hemisphere, and Tropic of Capricorn and Antarctic Circle in the southern hemisphere. यहाँ पे कैसा conditions होती हैं? The summers are not so hot and the winters are very cold. Another reason is, third reason is polar region. Polar region या टुंड्रा रीजन. पोलर रीजन कहाँ होता है? ये दोनों पोल पर, क्योंकि पोल पर हैं इसलिए पोलर रीजन्स. यहाँ पे समर्स कैसी होती हैं? वेरी शॉर्ट एंड कोल्ड, बट विंटर्स आर वेरी लॉन्ग, बहुत लंबी विंटर होती हैं. दिस रीजन इज़ फ्रोजन फॉर मोस्ट पार्ट ऑफ द ईयर. बर्फ़ जमी रहती है ठंड की वजह से. एंड इंक्लूडिंग एक्सट्रीम नॉर्थ पार्ट ऑफ द यूरेशिया, नॉर्थ अमेरिका, it is known as the tundra region. And the country Greenland, which you will study in this class, that is also fall in this region. Thank you.